It is from this basis the mantras were formed. It is from this basis largely the classical music evolved, that uttering the right sound so that you get the right response from the larger cosmos. The whole cosmic space, in a certain way, is a living mind. It has an intelligence. It may not have an intellect, but it has an intelligence. To be able to requite your own intelligence with the cosmic intelligence, to be able to echo the larger intelligence within this small being, is the whole science of yoga. That if you become a reflection of the cosmic intelligence, then we say you're a yogi. If you have become a whirlpool of your own small intellect, then you're just a psychological case. Now, coming back to sound, sound is a significant aspect of this. When I say sound, do not think as you… I don't know if the high school texts have been upgraded, I don't think so. As you studied in your high school textbooks about sound, sound is a wave, which is not a perfect description of the sound. For example, today, science is moving towards this, but the yogic culture and the yogic sciences have always been conscious of it, about how you can incubate sound within yourself, how you can hold a particular sound and incubate it and bring it to a certain level of reverb within you, that it transforms itself into light. And you might have seen people who come from Indian background would have seen some sage or a yogi sitting, uttering a mantra and light spreading around him. This is because if you incubate a sound within yourself to a certain dimension of reverb, then sound transforms itself into light. Today, the modern science is suggesting this, that if you take a normal sound, something like, whatever, 100 hertz or 150 hertz, and double it a little over 40 times, mathematically, it reaches a parameter where it is light. Nobody has managed to do it in a laboratory yet that they transformed a sound into light. The sound waves were transformed into light. Such a thing has not been done yet, but we know mathematically sound enters into the parameters or fits into the parameters of being light if you double it a little over 40 times. Right now, when we speak, we are somewhere around, in terms of decibels, we are somewhere around 60 to 80 decibels. Now, if you multiply this or if you double it 40 times, now my speech, if this decibel is doubled 40 times over, then it reaches a space where it would become light, green light. You know why I came with green today? Because mathematically, this very sound that we are speaking right now, this very level of decibel that we are uttering right now could become greenish light. I'm saying greenish light because we know that white light is comprised of 7 different dimensions. Of this, 3 are the basic or the root colors.